Hi everyone, I'm Sally Simmons, Director of Love Heal Weight Loss and author of several weight loss books. Now today I am making a super healthy, super yummy chocolate raspberry crunch smoothie. And I'm using the Froothie Optimum 9400 to really boost up the blending. Okay, so I'm starting with half a cup of low-fat dairy milk. Almond milk, rice milk, any of those would also work really well as well. I'm using a half serve of chocolate protein powder. I'm using a quarter of a cup, or a little bit over a quarter of a cup, of frozen raspberries. Oh, yes. I've also got 3 tablespoons of high protein, low fat natural yogurt. Pop that in. And last but certainly not least, I am adding 2 heaped teaspoons of flax meal. And that's organic brown flax meal, but you can use whatever kind of flax meal you like. Really high in fiber, high in protein, super yummy as well. Okay, pop the lid on and close that up. I'm going to go straight for high. Really fast blend on that one. And open up the lid. Pour it into my smoothie glass. And that is breakfast, or a really quick snack, faster than anything you could ever imagine. Enjoy!